up by the mossy shelf. It's too fast. What do we do? The lullaby net. Pip, get ready. Now.
It hadn't always been this chaotic. For Elara, it all began with a sound she couldn't place.
A sound that didn't belong in any meadow she knew.
Whoa. Hello? I'm anew. To hurt a bit you. It's full of sounds. What is it?
And so, Elara learned about the memory weavers and the library of sounds they protected.
Which brings us back to today, and a very important, very slippery giggle. All safe. What was that? That wasn't the great chime, was it? The first laugh. It's gone. A silence is pulling it away. We have to get it back.
Their quest began at once, leading them out of the forest and into the Whispering Meadow.
Pip, can you hear it? The laugh?
Silence.
It seems it's draining the sound from the very grass.
They pressed on into the river of echoes, where the past was never truly gone.
Hello. 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 Hello.
It's getting stronger. We must be close.
At the river's source, they found it, the Cavern of Silence.
We can't fight it. It just eats sound. It's not angry, it's hungry.
She realized it wasn't a monster. It was just lonely.
Orlo joins in.
projecting the softest sound he has, the steady, rhythmic beat of a heart.
You have your own song now.
With the first laugh safe, they returned home, their footsteps light and their hearts full.
Ready, Pip? We did it!